In today's video, I would like to share three very beautiful ways to deal with rejection or if your partner has broken up with you. It can be one of the most daunting experiences. I think it's one of the most painful experiences to go through rejection, to go through heartbreak. No matter how much you feel that rejection is redirection, that's the optimism of it. It still hurts, it still pains, and even if you've been in a long term relationship and they break up with you, and even if you've had a crush on somebody for a few days, you've had a fling with somebody, you've had a situationship with somebody, and you thought it would go to some place or you have the potential to grow with them, and probably they ended it and you feel rejected. So, here are my three ways. Let's get right into it. The first thing is that what we generally do is when we feel the anger, when we feel the hate that's coming towards this person who's rejected us, we tend to suppress it. We tend to drink it away, we tend to smoke it away, we tend to vent it out to friends, which can be good. We tend to, do many things, but actually sit with it or feel it or try to acknowledge that you're feeling hatred towards them. Hate can be such a negative emotion, it has such a bad reputation. But when somebody hurts you, when somebody rejects you, you can feel hate, you can feel anger, and behind hatred and anger, there is always pain. So acknowledge that pain, acknowledge that anger, allow it to come, don't suppress it. Suppressing anger will lead to a lot of problems in your own body. It will lead to problems in your next relationship because you're holding on to this grudge. So I'm not saying that you go beat someone up or you go to your partner and scream or vent it out. No, but the healthy ways of expressing anger, first of all, is acknowledging it, writing it, speaking to your friend or anybody or a therapist, but letting them know that you're feeling anger, accepting yourself that you're feeling anger or you're feeling hatred. Please make sure that you normalize feeling anger and hatred when you are rejected. Don't judge yourself on that. Don't go in a guilt trip that you're feeling anger towards somebody you once loved, or probably you just loved them yesterday and they rejected you, and now you're feeling these negative emotions for them. It's completely okay. It's grief, it's pain. The second thing I would like to share with you, if you're feeling rejected, if somebody has broken up with you, that society, people, even therapists, I see friends, they put a timeline on you when you should come out of it. If you've just dated them for 4 days, but you're still taking 4 months to come out of it because it meant something to you, you take that time. I'm here to tell you, take as much time as you need to heal from this relationship, from this situationship, from this fling, no matter how, even if it was for 5 hours and you feel you need time to heal from it, you take it. Don't let anybody else decide the timeline of your healing. Just make sure that you're not going into a victim mode and causing yourself pain, causing yourself too much trouble. But if you're taking time to heal from it, you are understanding that it's going to be a few weeks, a few months. You do that for yourself, even few years. So, time is very personal. Every individual requires a different amount of time to get over certain situation. So, feel free and do whatever you need to feel good in this time. The third thing I would like to share with you, that when somebody rejects you or when you go through a breakup, there is a lot of energy that flows through the body. It could be many emotions that could flow through the body. So, you need a channel. This is where some people get it wrong and they go into having one night stands or getting into sexual connections with people or immediately getting into another relationship. It's very harmful for them and their future healthy connections. So, this energy that you're feeling, be it hatred, be it sadness, be it depression, be it grief, channel it into something nice. It could be your creative project, it could be your gym, it could be a workout. If you don't like gym, please feel free to just walk. Choose your choose the sport, choose the activity which interests you. Never listen to anybody else who's trying to tell you what you should do to heal. Only follow your heart. See what you enjoy. Choose projects that you've delayed. Put your energy somewhere. And whenever that hatred and anger is coming out, when you're channeling it into your projects or even workouts, let it come, but accept that it's coming. And slowly, slowly, that energy will go into a very healthy space, and you will start feeling lighter and lighter, and you will also feel very proud of yourself. It's very important when you're going through pain to feel proud of yourself. Somewhere your little heart is hurt, you're upset, so only you can make yourself feel proud of yourself. Do things that help you grow, do things that help you boost your confidence in time like this, and you will see with time it's going to pass. And always remember, it all passes. This too shall pass. I'm here to confirm this for you. It will pass. I'm very sure there might be many listeners right now who might be in a lot of pain. They must have gone through breakup of years, I don't know, but I have all my empathy for you. But I just want to remind you, it's going to pass. This too shall pass, and you're going to come out of it stronger. But allow grief, allow anger, allow emotions to flow in a very healthy manner. So just to review, these three things is no suppression of emotion. Second is taking your own time, how much ever you need to process this. Third is channeling this energy that you feel in your body into something that you love or some activity that pleases you. So if this video has helped you, it would be great that you can share it with people who need it. You can support my work by liking, by subscribing to my channel. The best way to help me is to share it with somebody you feel could benefit from this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care.